Hey everybody, it's Rich from BilletSPIN. I would like to show you some of the cool products that we make right here in our shop and how you can get them. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, simply go to www.billetspin.com. On the left-hand side of the page, there is a new release tab. Every Wednesday at noon Central, we release new products. If you're interested in those, click there. If you would like to see older releases that are still currently available, click the pens, tops, whistles, worry tokens, or accessories tabs. If you click the Sign In tab, you can create an account which will allow for faster checkout times and enable you to view your purchase history. Scroll to the bottom of the page and enter your email address to receive all pertinent information about upcoming releases. If you're on Facebook, check out the BilletSPIN group. There you can interact with thousands of other BilletSPIN collectors, post up your pictures and videos of your tops, or ask any questions that you might have. You can also follow us on Instagram at BilletSPIN_tops for all BilletSPIN related content. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you ever have any questions, just let us know. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.